This looks so stupid. 2, 1. Oh my god. So the other day I'm scrolling through Instagram, minding my own business, blah blah blah. Then there it is. I see the craziest thing I've ever seen. An AC cold air intake system on a 350Z. I told myself, what kind of freaking idiot would do that? Like, what? So that's what we're doing today. Credit goes to @Stradero. Enjoy to this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't be weird. This is not a cold start, so you can't really say it's getting tired. Oh, God. Okay. Is it on auto? Why is it so dark? Nope, that's a wasp. I am killing that. My absolute favorite thing about this YouTube channel is we do cool things, we do pretty dumb things, we do informative things, and we just have fun. What we're doing today, it's got a very fine line between dumb and really cool. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. Oh god, that's a wasp. Oh god. Alright, seriously, let me talk to you guys real quick. Are you tired of paying like $400+ for an intake system? Today we're gonna make one. It cost me $16 and it's bigger than any other intake you can buy on the market. So is it gonna work? Is it not? Comment down below. So I posted on Instagram the picture of the car with a exhaust silencer and I said, what is this used for? Wrong answers only. Dude, you guys are going ham. Almost 100 comments already. I'm gonna read off the bat a quick one. Someone said, plug. A mini muffler. Well, wow. Turbo. Somebody commented a shift knob. Dude, like who would do that? And if you guys are wondering what I ended up getting, let's go back to yesterday when I went to pick it up. Just wait, boys. Just wait. Wait, so where are we going again?
I thought you knew.
Damn it. Ryan, does it look like it belongs to a car? Or
I mean, it looks like it could be your exhaust.
I don't know if you go 6 or 4, because if it's too big, we're not really gonna fit it where I want to fit it through. I think we're gonna have to settle with 4 though. Alright, we got the intakes, now back to my future self. Good luck, buddy. So these right here are what I called basic 2.5-inch intakes. These are the new Hot Boy 4-inch intakes. Okay, I know we're gonna get into the video, but I just wanna say, usually when somebody does a big mod like this, it's advised to contact your tuner. Personally, don't tell your tuner anything because they're probably gonna disown you. What's up, bro?
What's up, kid?
What are you up to?
A few inches later.
Yeah, he's not gonna tune my car anymore. All right, you guys have seen me take off this front bumper like 1,000 times, so. Okay, so I'm sitting here and I think I know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do what my friend did. I think I'm gonna come through here, come out through the headlights, and put it in the front bumper. Same day, so we gotta go ahead and take the headlights off. Bro, what am I doing? When you're watching this part to the video, smash that like. Look who we got. Brian. You think it's gonna work, Brian?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go. All right, so I took out the center brace so we could have some room to disconnect the stock and intake filter and put the new one back in. Guys, I don't know why I'm doing this. Like, honestly, it's just for fun. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't, then you should still do it. We're gonna have to cut it. Look at this. You grab it. So I don't. Bro! There you go. I don't want it to expand, but I kind of just want to see where we're gonna cut it. So we're gonna start here. This looks so stupid. All right, can you like, yeah. So we gotta cut it like around right here.
Yeah, right there's perfect.
Right here, right? All right, so it's got like this little like, metal, whatever you want to call it. I don't have a cutter. Alright, so we're done taking the filters out of my stock intake, which by the way, this is gonna be my normal setup. This AC duct, look at my thumb. So hit me up on my Instagram if you want to buy my intakes. Do you want to buy my original intakes for your BMW?
You make them?
Yeah, I make them now.
Anything else holding it?
What do you mean?
The pipes?
Okay, let's see if we can squeeze it through the headlight hole. This looks so stupid. Bro, look how funny this looks. This looks incredible. Like, that is just, I've never seen something so funny in my life. Bruh. Alright, let's turn it on. Let's do the honors.
I got the keys.
Okay.
Keys.
Whew. Comment down below right now if you think it's gonna turn on. Oh my gosh. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! It actually turned on! Bro! What? Oh yo, Brian.
My car's not on?
Brian, should we tell him something?
And 3, 2, 1.
It's fake. We couldn't make it work, alright? You can't blame us. We couldn't. I was trying to tie in the throttle body. But it just couldn't work, and if we can't tighten that up, then our chances of actually making the car turn on with this are very slim. I mean, go ahead and try it, tag me if you do, but yeah, kind of failed. But since we failed, we made a turbo, and I'm gonna do something really cool he thought of. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna do that in 3, 2, 1. All right, we put everything back. Dude, my thumb is like, every time I film my thumb is like a little bit, then half, now it's like the whole thumb is out. I guess today's just a day of being stupid and having fun. Alright, you guys wanna see this? Okay, this is the next project. It's probably not gonna work. It should work though. Brian, here you go. Let's see if it works or not. It'll pull out. Oh my god, you can actually hear the exhaust. Hello?
It stayed!
Wait, I wanna see this. Oh, come on, Brian, it came out. Okay, that's good, we're done. Is that Tome?
Yep.
Hey, yo, Tome. Woo, dude, you sound mad, bro. We're good. I gotta go to school. Peace out, Brian. Peace out to the vlog. Alright, peace out, boys.
2 hours later.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I completely forgot to end the video. I've been in school for the past 2 hours or so, just got out, and I completely forgot. That's hilarious. Alright, I really gotta fix this exhaust rattle. I am not feeling it right now. It's freaking annoying. Oof, making a full 180. Talking about exhaust, let's just say that when you're watching this video Wednesday, tomorrow I think, possibly, the new exhaust for the 300 should be in, boys. I should have it by the time you're watching this. I should have the new exhaust for the 300. So expect the 300ZX greatest exhaust video install coming soon. While you're waiting though, I really recommend you watch the whole 300ZX playlist that we have going on the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. If any of you actually try it and are successful with it, let me know. Peace out.
That's just the turbo kit, that's not everything else.
Yeah, they miss out a couple things.
No, we should be able to do that too and install everything for that.
Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely keep that in mind.
Alright.
That wasp is... Oh, you see it right there, right? You see it right there? Yo, look at his butt. It's just pointing at me, bro. Like, just please, just like, at least like move back there, honestly.